Hi everyone, I'm Graham and I'm from Little Dreamers at Home. Today I'm going to show you how to make candy wrapper messages. Hi everyone, I'm Graham and I'm from Little Dreamers at Home. Today I'm going to show you how to make these candy wrapper messages. How do we do that? I'm going to show you right now. First, we need some origami paper. And I cut mine, it doesn't matter what size, but I cut mine 9 centimeters by 7 centimeters. So I have all these little papers to use for my candy wrap messages. And the excess paper we can use to write messages on. So write your message here, and inside I have a little message inside mine. What does it say? Can you read that? It says, "Be my friend." Okay, so the first thing that we want to do, I got red, is we need to get some double-sided tape, and you need some scissors, and you also need some markers. And what we need to do is cut the double-sided tape and put a strip here, a strip here, and a strip here. Just like this. Can you see? So put one down there, one across there at the top, and on the other side. And once we do that, we take the tape off, one side here, and take that one off, and take this off. Now this is a little bit tricky. So what we need to do now is, so we've got the sticky part here, roll this over like this, and very carefully roll it over like that. Pat it down, and this side we need to pinch like this, so it looks like that. Does yours look like that? And we have a hole here. Don't push this one down yet. We need to put our message in here. And then we need to get one of these little pieces of paper and a marker and write a message. I already wrote my message. It says, "I love you." And we roll our message up like this. Roll it up into a little like this. Can you see? So it looks like that. And we get our wrapper and we put it inside the wrapper like that. Push it down so it's in there, and then we push that side too. It should look like this. Now, just like our other one here, we need to cut. Okay, how do we do that? We get our scissors and we cut 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we cut the opposite way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and do the same with the other side, so it looks like this. One here and one here. And then we need to put a message here on our candy wrapper. So you can put a message like that. What does that say? It just says message. This one. And that's how we make a candy wrapper message. you can give these to anyone. Your mom, your dad, your friends. You can hide them around the house and play treasure hunt. Okay, until next time, don't forget to subscribe and write in the comments your name, and next time I make a video, I'll say your name and say hello. Until then, bye!